Hi, we asked the average puppet on the street what issues they'd like to see the new Obama administration Democratic Congress address in their first 100 days in office, and here is what we heard from our puppets with issues. I'm Bono, and I'd like to see the legislation of deregulation and a reduction in massive military spending just to protect the flow of foreign oil to America and to invest in a green energy industry to get us off the stuff. To get our vets the benefits and help they deserve, and to hold those bums accountable in a court of law for sending our boys and girls into an illegal war based on lies against countries that never attacked us. War on terror? What's next? War on American dissenters? Oh, and repeal that damn Patriot Act and Office of Homeland Security. We were doing just fine, thank you, before they came along to strip us of our American liberties. To see the Office of Faith-Based Initiatives replaced with an Office of Republican Rehab for credit abusers and selective military socialists. Equal pay and livable wages for everybody, good paying jobs for rebuilding America, legal protections of pension funds, and help for poor people who took out bad mortgages in that awful subprime racket. Oh, and please, find out where they're spending all of our banker bailout money, will you? Reestablish the fairness doctrine in media and force a breakup of media monopolies, especially by defense contractors. Election and campaign finance reform to allow regular people to run for office and for every vote they get to actually be counted. Well, you heard it right here. Exactly what we need you all to do, or at least begin to working on, in your first 100 days in office, straight from the puppets' mouths. Good luck, Godspeed, and get to work, will ya?